Hello dear students, Assalamu alaikum. As usual, I am Mr. Pandit Abdullah, the assistant headmaster of Palipuri FM High School. Hope you to be well and fit by the grace of Almighty Allah. I am also fine. You know, our online classes are going on. So, you should watch our classes and carry on your study. Today, I will try to make you understand to change these sentences from active to passive or passive to active. So, let's start. Here the first sentence we find it indicates subject I, main verb so, object he. So, according to the rule, we have to use him as a subject. Him, he. So indicates that it's a past indefinite tense. So you have to use be verb, what or where. As here we find he, we have to write what. He what. Then past participle form of verb, seen. Then extension. Are you clear? Object, subject, be verb according to tense, past participle form of verb, main verb, extension, by, then subject as object. Then we come to the next sentence. Buy me a school bag. Here we find that it's an imperative sentence. And when you change active an active form into passive, you have to start the passive form with let. Then object. Me should be an object. A school also should be an object. But what object should be used after let? Here we analyze that. We should analyze the meaning of the sentence. Buy me a school bag. Not you should not buy me. You should not buy a school bag, and that should be for me. So you should write school bag after let. And you know, after the object in an imperative sentence, you should use be. Then past participle form of the main verb. Then it should be bought for me. So you have to write for me. In this way, when you find such kind of example, you should change it into passive in this way. Another example I will give you. Pluck me some flowers. Not pluck me. Pluck some flowers for me. So you have to change it into passive. Let some flowers be plucked for me. Then we come to the next sentence. The beauty of our country always charms you. Here we find it's an easy example. Me should be used as I. Then it indicates present indefinite. So you have to write be verb at. Then past participle form of verb. I am charmed. When you find the verb of charm, you should not use by, you should use at. The beauty of our country. Then come to the next sentence. Do not look down upon the poor. It's also an imperative one. you should start with let. As it's a negative one, you have to write not. Then object. What should be object? The book. And after object you should use be. Then main verb. Looked. Down. Up. Then we should change this sentence into active. Law should be obeyed strictly. Law should be obeyed. Who will obey? We, people. So we find complement people or we, by us or by people or by them. Then we have to use the complement as subject. We should, here should be used. We should. Then we should not use be. The base form of the verb obey. Then subject, object. Then we come to the next sentence. Here we find that it's an example of passive. You have to change it into active. Though you see that the sentence starts with what, but it's not an interrogative sentence. It's an assertive word. Why? You know, what was told by him was not true. Here, nobody asked with this sentence. It does not express the asking sentence, question sentence, interrogative sentence. So, it's not interrogative pronoun. Here, what has been used as subordinating conjunction. So, you have to write what. Here, what has been used as object. And what has been used as subject, and we find him as object, subject, object. Subject should be used as object in the active form, but as it's a WH1, we have to write first. What then? You have to write the objective form, subjective form. Him, he. Then we should not use was as it's a passive, and while changing it into active, you should not use the be verb and you should use the main verb. Was indicates that it's a past indicative one. So you have to write to. What? He not used, told. Was not. Then we come to the next sentence. I want you to do the work. Here we find you, the word, should be used, may be used as object. But the sentence expresses that I don't want you, I only want the work to be done. I want that you should do the work. I don't want you. My main target, my main purpose, I want the work. So you have to, while you find this kind of sentence, this kind of example, you should not write the objective form of the subject. You should use the subject as subject. Then you should not also change the main verb here. I want. What I want? Mainly I want the word. How? I want the word to. Here also you bear in mind that verb to is an infinitive one. To remains silent. But while changing it into passive, you have to write. I want the verb to. And you know, while changing an infinitive verb into passive, you have to use be after to. Then do. Done. I want the work to be done. By whom? By you. Then, whom did you see there? Here, we find subject you, object whom. We know subject should be used as object and object should be used as subject. As it's a WH1, you have to write first in the passive form. Maybe in the active form or passive form. You have to write the WH1 should be used should be used at first. What's the object? What's the subject of whom? Who. Then, according to tense, we have to use the verb. As did indicates past indefinite, so you have to use was. Who was. Then, after the verb, past participle form. Extension. By e. To find the passive form of the sentence. Then the sentence, to find that he is honest is known to all. It's a complex sentence and that he is honest is a noun clause. You should know a noun clause may be used both as subject or object. So here we find the clause is used as subject. We find the whole clause is subject according to tense, verb, past participle form. For no verb, we should not use by. We should use to. So it's object. We may write up. Object should be used as subject. Then it should not be used in the active. We should write down the base form of know. As is indicates the present indefinite tense. Or know. Then whole clause should be used as subject. That he is honest. Then next, a football tournament is going to be arranged. By our school. Here we find by our school is objective form. So you have to write our school. You should know, right? If we find is going to, are going to, was going to, were going to, and after that, if we get the main verb, we should take this verb as to be modal auxiliary. So, as is going to, then we find be, then first participle form of verb, main verb is a modal auxiliary. So, you have to write our school is going to. Subject, modal auxiliary. Then you have to use main verb. You should not use it because it is used in a passive form. Going to arrange. Our school modal auxiliary. We know after modal auxiliary we have to use the base form of main verb. So I have written arrange. Then a football tournament, subject should be used as object. A football tournament. In this way, if you practice more and more at your home, you will be clear about active or passive form. The more you practice, the more you have clearness of any point. So I advise you, practice more and more. Don't sit idly. And I also advise you not to go out. Stay home and study. So, dear learners, I don't want to discuss today. No more today. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.